Good morning. It is the beginning of the week, and today I am going to teach you guys how to make elderberry syrup. I have this highly requested from my Instagram account. Because I posted that I made the kids some elderberry gummies, and so I've been waiting for our elderberry to run out before I made this video. So I'm going to make the video on how to make the elderberry syrup and then how to make the gummies. It is so easy and kids love it, obviously, because they're gummies and they're healthy for you, extremely healthy. So it's an easy way to get good nutrients and good vitamin C. Plus our kids have been sick a lot the past couple weeks. Do you want to help me make elderberry?
Yeah.
Babies are sleeping. Babies, we have to always be quiet when the babies are sleeping. Okay, so do you want to help us? Okay, Kai's doing his chore. Let's finish up your chore and then we'll do it, okay? Okay, so the first thing that I do is...
More milk.
Jay, I'm trying to make a video here, dude.
More milk.
More milk. Okay, first thing that I do is I boil the water. I didn't measure, but my guess would be 4 to 6 cups. Jay, shh. Okay, so I just boil the water, and as it's boiling, we're gonna add, I think 4 tablespoons is what I normally do. I just change it up every time. So I get these dried elderberries off of Amazon. They're organic and they're really good because once they get in the water, they kind of become rehydrated. So there's 4. I'm gonna add a 5th for good measure. Yeah.
Whoa, the water's already turning black.
Okay, so now you can go up here. Good job. So now I am going to cut up a little bit of this fresh ginger. And ginger is really good, obviously, for
it
immune.
helps your throat when your throat hurts.
It does. It really helps. So I just do like big chunks that are easy to filter out. There you go. Good job, Noe. So we're just going to stick those in. And then we have a cinnamon stick. So we're going to add a whole cinnamon stick in there.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Yep. So that's all you do for now. We're going to let this boil. And then once it starts boiling, we're going to turn it down and just let it simmer with the lid on for 45 minutes. Well, thank you, Noah. Here's my special assistant, Noah. Here's my other assistant. What's your name? Bumblebee.
His real name is Che.
But he thinks he's Bumblebee.
Yeah.
And here's my other lovely assistant. Bum smack. Come on. This is Kai's special dance.
I know. I can do it.
Go.
I can do it.
Come on.
Oi.
Do it, Kai. I love it.
Now me.
Okay, now Shay.
Whoa.
You guys are hilarious.
It's supposed to be.
And then we've got the babies and they're sleeping, so that's why we're able to do this. So you'll just want to get it to boil. Turn it down. Turn it down so it simmers. No, wait. Shh. Turn it down when it starts boiling so that it can simmer, and then just stir it periodically. Keep it simmering with the lid on for 45 minutes. We'll see you guys soon.
Spicy.
Okay, Noah's gonna try a piece of fresh ginger. Let's see how she likes it.
I want fresh ginger.
Okay, don't yell.
I want to try.
Whatever you do, don't yell. Spicy. Look, she thinks it's spicy.
Fresh ginger.
Do you want to try it, Shay?
Yes.
Okay, you might think it's spicy.
My fresh
Here, Kai, hold this, please.
My fresh ginger.
Oh, don't touch this. This is hot. Okay, let's see what Shay thinks.
Good.
Or spicy.
Just wait. It's gonna be spicy.
Good or spicy?
What?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! You're okay. You're okay.
Shay, drink some of your milk.
I think he was worried because everybody talked it up like it was really bad, but you're okay, Shay. That, Shay, do you know what? That will be so good for your
I
throat.
want to try.
Shay has a cough.
I want to try.
Wow, you're strong and brave, mister.
I want to try.
Let me see. Open up. Open up your mouth. Let's see. Whoa, you ate
I
it?
want to try. I want to try.
Okay, Kai wants to try. Shay's got... Do you have hair on your face?
I want to feel.
Wow, I think you grew some hair on your face.
I want to feel. Shay, come here.
Okay. Hold it.
Okay.
Now Kai. Kai's turn. Let's see if you grow some hair. It's pretty good. It's just, it tastes a little spicy. Now swallow it. It'll be good for your throat. It killed all the germs in your throat. How does it feel?
Yuck.
Yucky. Are all the germs dead? Let's see. No more germies.
No yums in my mouth, on my face, on
Found it.
everything, on my tooth, on my foot, too.
No more germs on your tooths. Okay, so the elderberry syrup was able to sit cooking for 45 minutes, simmering, and it basically made 2 full quarts of syrup. So I will keep 1 full quart for just syrup that my husband and I can take. I try to take it daily when I have it on hand because it keeps my immune system going well and I'm not getting sick as easily. I've also noticed that I don't get any tummy issues. Apparently elderberry is really good at, if you have it in your stomach before a virus or something enters, it cannot survive, that virus or sickness cannot survive if the elderberry is there. So I try to constantly keep it in my system and my family system. So we're gonna save 1 just for syrup. We're gonna use this other one for gummies. So the way that I filtered it is I just use a cheesecloth with a filter, and then all of these berries will go to our chickens. It'll make really great healthy eggs. So I'll show you guys what I do now with the syrup. So I just eyeball it, whatever you feel like doing, however sweet you want it. We don't make it super sweet. I just do a little bit of honey and then stir it up. And I do this all while it's warm. And that way it'll just mix really well. Then you're not worrying about it getting cold and then the honey sticking. So I'll just put this in my fridge and we drink this all the time. Now I'm going to show you how to do the gummies. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so now I've got this other quart that I plan on using, and I just added some honey to it, and I'm just gonna add a couple more things like this vitamin C crystals. This isn't my favorite vitamin C, but you know, I use other better types of vitamin C, but this tastes good. It's sour, so it'll almost make the gummies taste sour. So I'm gonna get just some of this and pour it in. And then I also have Juice Plus. We love Juice Plus. So I'm just gonna add some capsules inside the gummies. And then I'm just gonna stir it all around, and then I'll show you how to put them in the molds. If you don't take Juice Plus, It's been by far my favorite supplement that I've taken now. I've taken it longer than any other supplement. And I just noticed a big change in our family's health and just the way that we are consistently not sick. I mean, we used to get sick all the time, and when I take Juice Plus, I take a lot because I'm a nursing mom of twins. So I've just found that if I just am constantly taking Juice Plus and have it in my system, my immune system does really well. Inflammation goes down, especially during the months of allergies. And so we all just feel a lot better. My kids actually eat the capsules. They'll just eat them and they love them. It's because we've been doing that since they were babies. Hope you can see me. And they also do the gummies, but I like the capsules a little bit better. So we're just gonna put a bunch of good stuff in there, stir it around, and then now we're gonna make it into the actual gummy. Okay, so I put a 1/4 cup of the elderberry syrup in this, it's pourable, so it's like a measuring cup. So I took a 1/4 cup and it's cooling down. I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of the gelatin. Make sure you get a good gelatin that actually has health benefits. You want it to be from a good source. So we take a 1/4 cup of the gelatin and a whisk, and you want to pour it in and then whisk it right away. So I'm going to try to do this with one hand. I'll do a little bit at a time. Okay, now we're going to take a 1/2 cup of the hot elderberry syrup and add it in on top of that. All right, so I poured that in and I'm just mixing it till all the gelatin is completely dissolved. So it should look like a gel, hence the gelatin. Let's see. Yep, it's looking good. All right. So now, I used to have, with these molds, came like a little thing that you could apply the gelatin really easy in there, and I don't know where that went. Most likely my kids probably took it. So I have this like little meat injector, and this is gonna probably be the easiest way that I do it. Hold on one second, Noe. So what I'm gonna do is I have this coconut oil spray, and you just wanna spray, kind of makes a mess, but it's worth it because then they're just gonna pop right out. So you don't have to do a ton, but I have these little bear and gummy worms and little penguins and lions. These are my molds that I'm using. So what I'm gonna do is take this and start filling it up. Just gonna slowly fill up your gummy molds. The gummies are done and they turned out so well. They only needed to sit for about 15 minutes probably. They cool really quickly. So I just have them in this little jar. This is just the bears and the worms. And we're gonna do a taste test on these kiddos over here. Hello, not you, not you. Okay, here you guys go. Pick 2 each. There's worms in there too. Tell us what you think.
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah, they're yummy.
What are they called?
Gummies.
What kind of gummies?
Elderberry gummies.
Yeah, so thumbs up?
Can I have one more?
Yeah, in a little bit. We can't keep eating them because then they'll all be gone.
One
So I'll probably make double this batch. I'm gonna go make another batch. And then I'll put these in my fridge. Don't leave them out on your counter because they will go bad really fast. I did learn that the hard way. So these are fresh and need to be refrigerated. But I hope this answered everybody's questions. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments and I'll make sure to answer. Make sure to subscribe to our channel because I'm going to be doing more videos like this where I show just daily things of what we do and how we do them. So click that subscribe button and the notifications as well. So I will keep in touch with you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye.